What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So I'm with my boy Zach right here. You can find him on Instagram. We're heading up to a estate sale right now. As you guys can see, this place is packed.
Yo, I'm gonna just park around the corner.
So we're gonna park, yeah, around the corner. We're gonna walk up to there. So let's cut this intro and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Martin. Usually I'm with my girlfriend KRISTINA. She is at work right now. She has a full-time job. But I'm here with my buddy Zack. We're hitting up our first estate sale. So we're just gonna go see what we can find. This is right around the corner from our house. We figure, why not check it out? Everyone's finding some gold at these estate sales. Why don't we try to find some gold?
Exactly.
Okay guys, so we're just pulling up to the house now. I'll show you guys. Estate sale. So we're about to head in, go to our first estate sale. I'm not gonna have the camera out in the beginning just because, so I'll be right back. So we're checking out the garage first.
You guys need a keyboard or no?
Nope.
Oh no, I was just checking it out.
You need it? I'm just kidding. I need a
So we're just in the garage checking this out. Not too much in here. Zach's looking.
Sure. You get rid of it? Yep.
Our son just bought a house, so, you know.
Oh! Yeah.
So we're gonna walk into the house now. This is kind of weird, but
That.
let's go right in.
Yeah.
All discs are $1.
Looking for myself right now, dude.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. You know, when you're treasure hunting, you just kind of go live.
Yeah, exactly.
It went off. I don't know if it called or if see if we just got a recent call.
Yeah, get some of this.
Yeah. Just let them know it. Yeah.
What are these postcards? Oh yeah, they're old postcards, man. What is that thing, dude?
Should I start vlogging with that?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Yeah, dude. Carrying that around with a boom box. Alright, dude, I want to look up the digital shit. Dude, this is a massive range, dude. We still got the upstairs, too.
Yeah. So we are in the basement now. Oh wow, this is kind of cool. Ask. Look at this clipboard.
Yeah, dude, those are some like big games over there, man.
Yeah, seriously. This one for 50.
The desk and then just like pans and shit. He was a good guy. He was a real good guy. Yep.
They got scale.
I'm getting these Sonys, dude.
Yeah.
612.
Webster Dictionary. Look at this.
$10 for the.
So Zach found a couple electronics. He's looking this up right now. With, what is it, Amazon you're looking it up?
No,
Or
just eBay.
Okay. Nice little lockbox down here. Some briefcases, suitcases. Obama's people. Oh, look at this monitor, $5.
See,
Oh,
I
it's
think
cracked.
this is the first day today, so I think tomorrow they're doing it.
Oh,
Probably be sales on tomorrow.
yeah,
But I'm gonna try to go ahead and grab these.
yeah.
$2.
Let's check out the other room.
Yeah. Wow. That's for your phone? Or?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Alright, I'm gonna put the camera away because I don't want to get that copyright, so we'll be upstairs in a minute.
Yeah, right. Oh, Mario, look at this thing, dude. Get that thing on you guys, right?
Oh my goodness, spotlight.
That is the spotlight, isn't it?
Okay guys, we're in the second room, but look at this wallpaper. Oh my goodness. Okay, but yeah, we're going through. We're pretty much at the end of our tour.
The basement was the best. Oh god, everything.
Oh, excuse us. Okay guys, so we just got out of there. Zach got a Walkman and a couple remotes. It was actually kind of crazy.
It was a pretty cool experience.
First estate sale, so
I enjoyed it.
yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of us just walking around that random person's house. Zach found some gold. How much you pay? Like $10?
$10.88, yeah.
Yeah, so
this thing sells for like, I'm gonna do a quick little.
yeah.
This thing looks like it was selling for like $40. So I got it for $1 because it's half off too.
Yeah.
This one was selling for like $30. Got it for $3.
Nice
And then these
Walkman.
remotes, I always have like the Panasonic VCRs, so I'll just like find one that this will actually go to and
Not bad.
use it myself.
So yeah, Zach got a little bit of a pickup. I didn't find anything that I wanted, so not bad. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and yeah, share with your friends. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We got a giveaway. I've been talking all about that. You can't even see me because of the sun. Been talking all about that, so it's in the description. Check it out. And yeah, that was our estate sale. So my camera's actually dying. It just cut out on me. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day whenever you're watching this. Share with your friends. Peace.